Well, I was sitting, waiting, wishing you believed in superstition, then maybe you'd see the signs. Lord knows that this world is cruel, but I ain't the Lord, no, I'm just a fool. Learning loving somebody don't make them love you. Must I always be waiting, waiting on you? Must I always be playing, playing your fool? Sang your songs, danced your dance, gave your friends all a chance. Putting up with them wasn't worth never having you. But maybe you've been through this before, but it's my first time, so please ignore the next few lines, 'cause they're directed at you. No, I can always be waiting, waiting on you. No, I can always be playing, playing your fool. Keep playing your part, but it's not my scene. Want this plot to twist, I've had enough mystery. Keep building it up and shooting me down, but I'm already down, so just wait a minute. Just sitting waiting. Just wait a minute. Just sitting waiting. Well, if I was in your position, I'd put down all my ammunition. I'd wonder why it'd taken me so long. Well, Lord knows that I'm not you, and if I was, I wouldn't be so cruel. Waiting on love ain't so easy to do. Must I always be waiting, waiting on you? Must I always be playing, playing your fool? No, I can always be waiting, waiting on you. No, I can always be playing,